Welcome to our next session of basic geometrical ideas. So let's move on exercise 4.3. Let's get started. Your exercise 4.3 has got first question, name the angles given in the figure. So we have been provided this figure in this angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D, but these angles can be written with the complete name with three points. That is, angle A can be written as angle DAB, angle B can be written as angle CBA, angle C can be written as angle DCB, and angle D can be written as angle ADC. Moving to question number 2. In the given diagram, name the points in the interior of angle DOE, in the exterior of angle EOF, on angle EOF. You can see in the interior of angle DOE, you can see DOE angle, there is a point A, and in angle EOF, in the exterior of it, there is point C. You can see outside the figure. Then on EOF, B is the point which is on EOF. Moving to question number 3, draw rough diagrams of two angles such that they have one point in common. In a figure, O is the common point of angle AOB and COB. B part of it is 2 points in common and 3 points in common. In B, in the figure, O and P are the common points or in angle SOA and OPQ. And C is such a diagram is not possible in which 3 points are in common. Moving to D part, 4 points in common. 4 points in common, such a diagram is again not possible. Then E part is 1 ray in common. 1 ray in common is like OB is the common ray of angle AOB and angle